Beginning Latin, Lesson 1 by John Edmund Bars. Recorded for the LibriVox Language Learning Collection, Volume 1. Read by Nicholas James Bridgewater. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Lesson 1. Pronunciation. 1. The alphabet. The Latin alphabet is the same as the English, without J or W. 2. Letters sounded as in English. The following letters have the same sounds as in English: P, B, T, D, K, L, M, N, R, F, H, X, Q, U. 3. Long and short vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, Y. When plenty of time is taken to pronounce a vowel, the vowel is said to be long. When the pronunciation is hurried a little, the vowel is said to be short. Long vowels are marked thus: A with a macron, E with a macron, I with a macron, O with a macron, U with a macron, Y with a macron. Short vowels are marked thus, or left unmarked. The latter is the method regularly followed in this book. 4. Sounds of the vowels. The sounds of the vowels are as follows: A with a macron, like the second A in aha. A, like the first A in aha. E with a macron, like A in they. E, like E in then. I with a macron, like I in machine. I, like I in pin. O with a macron, like O in holy. O, like O in obey. U with a macron, like double O in pool. U, like U in pull. Y with a macron and Y have a sound which may be uttered by shaping the lips as if to say oo, and then making the sound e. 5. Exercise. Pronounce the following words according to the rules in 2 to 4. 1. Amabam, petebant, liber, liber. 2. Orator, quod, utebamini, quorum. 3. Tyranni, militem, rex, infero. 6. Diphthongs. The diphthongs and their sounds are as follows: AE, like AI in isle. AU, like OU in house. EI, like EI in 8. EU, like EU in feud. More exactly, like eu, pronounced rapidly, the A being sounded as in they. OE, like OI in oil. UI, like ui, or we. Other combinations of vowels, as AI, EO, etc., do not form diphthongs, each vowel being pronounced separately, as in aulai. 7. Exercise. Pronounce the following: hai, autem, deinde, heu, boina, huic. Remaining sounds. Pronounce C as in cat, G as in get, I consonant, In some books, J is written for I consonant. This is merely a matter of convenience, as Latin had no letter J. Usual sound between two vowels, or at the beginning of a word when followed by a vowel, like Y in you. S as in so, not as in has. V like W. Z like DZ. CH like K. PH like F. BS like PS. BT like PT. Doubled consonants should both be sounded, contrary to the custom of English. Thus bellum is pronounced distinctly bellum, not bellum. 9. Exercise. Pronounce the following. 1. Ketegi. Yam. Amas. Hik. Seek. 2. Godza. Zama. Chorus. Urps. 3. Philosophus. Obtineo. Caesarem. Cicero. 10 syllables. A Latin word has as many syllables as it has vowels and diphthongs. Thus, praesidium has 4 syllables. Prae, si, di, In dividing a word into syllables, a consonant between two vowels belongs to the second, as rexeramus. The last syllable of a word is called the ultima. The syllable before the last is called the penult. The syllable before the penult is called the antepenult. 11. Accent. A word of 2 syllables is accented on the penult, as illud, erat. A word of more than 2 syllables is accented on the penult if the penult is long, as amabam. Poteramus. If the penult is short, the accent falls on the antepenult, as amaveram, potuerant. 12. Rules of quantity. The quantity of a syllable, that is, its length, may often be known by means of simple rules called rules of quantity. Thus a syllable is long when it contains a diphthong, as Caesar, or when it contains a long vowel, as regina, antiquus, or when its vowel, even if short, is followed by 2 consonants, or a double consonant, x, z, as exoriuntur, catullus. B. A syllable is short when it contains a short vowel followed by a single consonant. Aberrant is a compound, ab-erant, and does not follow the rule of 10 in its division. Aberrant, confici. Or when its vowel is followed by h, or by another vowel with which it does not form a diphthong, c4, as contrahunt, subeo. 13. Exercise. Copy the following passage, marking the accent of each word according to the principles given in 11 and 12. Pronounce according to the rules in 1 to 12. Quo usque tandem abutere Catilina patientia nostra, quam diu etiam furor iste tuus nos eludet, quem ad finem sese effrenata iactabit audacia, nihil ne nocturnum praesidium palati, nihil urbis vigiliae, nihil timor populi, nihil concursus bonorum omnium, Nihil hic munitissimus habendi senatus locus, nihil horum ora vultusque moverunt. Note: beginning on page 185 will be found additional exercises and questions on each lesson, except the reading lessons. These are intended to furnish material for classroom drill. It is not necessary that they should be prepared in advance, although pupils who have the time will find them a means of testing and improving their preparation. On the other hand, it should not be forgotten that these drill exercises are an essential part of the method of this book, and that they cannot be omitted without impairing its efficiency. End of Beginning Latin, Lesson 1, by John Edmund Bars.